John Walton, he made over than $50,000 in the past 2 months. He was sold on Super Affiliate System before it was even available to purchase. He's now getting more consistent affiliate sales each month. Watch the full video how he can make it. You can too follow his success. Join John Crestani Super Affiliate System through the link in the description. Don't forget to give your like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is John Walton here, and I wanted to give this quick video testimonial for the superaffiliatesystem.com. Really, I've been joined in was it August or July, late July, and been going through John's course for a while now, and so I think it's time for a testimonial. So I pulled up volume. I figured, numbers can talk for themselves. And that's certainly true. So let's see. But first, I just wanted to say that I have become a much more effective online salesperson since I've joined John's course. I've been going through his videos religiously, and it's always new content, new information there that I was just really grateful to found that John's course. It was exactly what I needed. Honestly, I was sold before I even before it was even for sale. I was already, whatever it costs, I'll get it. And this isn't much of a. I'm really not satisfied so far still, but getting there. My goals are 5 figures daily consistently. And getting closer, but not there yet. Anyways, so here's a little volume shot of the past 6 months. Most of this was made the past 2 or 3 months. So, getting better. Numbers are getting up, finally. But I just wanted to say, affiliate marketing is a lot more stable than it has been for me in the past. I've been doing this full-time since 2011, and it was really up and down, really shaky business. I didn't think I could, make this work consistently is what I really wanted, consistency. So, let's see, you see the clicks, this is all information I got out of John's course. Actually, I don't know what I'd be doing if I didn't go in join John's course. I don't know what I would be doing at this point, other than struggling with affiliate marketing. Anyways, so you see that almost 10 million clicks. And this is not pop traffic. I fucking hate pop traffic. These are good clicks. A little bit of revenue there, a little bit of cost, and a nice margin. So as you can see, the year has just started. Really hoping to add a 0 to this, and I hope this is a good testimonial. I hope this is what you were wanting to hear, John. I hope you come out with more videos, man, and hope you do some more workshops in Santa Monica. I'm still so guilty for missing the last one, man. I've had a broken foot and plane ticket left on the same day as you decided to host the meetup, so it was kind of a bitch for me. Let's see. So I've become a much better copywriter since joining John's course. I've got all the books here. Let's see. Reading Hero, 1,000 Faces. If you join John's course, he might send you a bunch of books if you're lucky. And if you're smart, you'll read them, study them, become a better marketer. So I just got my cast off today, man. That's why I'm huddling around. Got this boot. So affiliate marketing is one of those businesses, man, where you can just have a broken foot and sleep in and heal and hopefully make some money online. No one really gets it. I love it. There's a shot again. 8 million clicks. I want more, man. I hope you come out with some more videos, John. I'll be looking forward to them, and maybe we'll get some more people in the Skype group too. Be nice. It's kind of quiet in there lately. I don't know where everyone's at on there. I guess they're making money, huh? So I guess that's all. Have a good day.